everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix delayed notifications in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. Now first, enable auto start for key applications. So start by opening settings, and here go to apps. Scroll down to apps. Here go to manage apps, and now choose your application. For example, let me find some useless application, for example AliExpress. Here go and enable auto start here. Repeat all 4 applications you want notifications from: Messenger, Telegram, etc. Apart from that, remove the battery restrictions for applications. MIUI has 3 battery management levels for applications. No restrictions, battery saver, and restrict bar connectivity. For messengers, set it to no restrictions. So here, as you can see where we are, we have to now go here into the battery and let the phone be unlocked. As you can see here, we have no data because it's not actually used, but if we have to tap that and set it to no restrictions. And here, as you can see, if we scroll down here, we have battery saver, no restrictions again, and set it for all the applications you have. Apart from that, lock applications RAM. Open the recent applications menu, find the application, long press its window, and tap the lock icon. So here, for example, we have security. We have to hold that and tap this lock icon. It should help us. Apart from that, we can disable night battery saver mode. So let's go to the settings, and here let's scroll down to the battery here. Now we have to go straight to here, disable this, and tap this gear icon here. Here we have to find the scheduler, like for example here, and here. Switch times to switch between modes, and disable this option. Just disable that, and it should help you. Apart from that, it's more advanced. Conceal switching ROMs. Some users says notification delays mostly affect Chinese/Indian MIUI versions, while the global ROM, like we have here, works better. Switching to a global or custom ROM like Lineage OS or Pixel Experience can help, but this is an advanced step that they won't show in this video. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.